Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby. Hope you guys are doing so amazing. So today I'm going to do a video on an Amazon shop called Lillusory. If I'm not pronouncing it right, then here it is. And basically, just a little background. I don't really like to go shopping in person anymore, nor do I like to shop as much as anymore, because I try to like make my own clothes, which I actually just finished crocheting this top and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, it's just a striped top and I love it. And but I digress. And then if I'm not thrifting, reusing some of my other clothes, sometimes I need to go on Amazon and shop. And if you guys know, you probably do because everybody shops on Amazon, it's either a hit or miss. Well, let me just say that the 3 items that they sent me and that I chose are definitely a hit. So I'm going to show you 3 of the pieces that I got from Lillusory and then try them on, show it to you, and then also let me know what you guys think too. Okay, so the first piece, so cute. And what I do like about the store, actually, like looking at it, I like that they have some dresses, they have like 2 pieces, they have pants and stuff, and it's kind of, I wouldn't say it's boho, it's kind of chic but a little casual, but you can dress it up. There's some like things that I can feel like you could wear to a work event, but this one I like so much because I feel like I could wear it out on a date night, even wear it to work, be super casual about it. But this is, I know it's like, I know summer, but it gets cold in the air conditioning here, and a really good piece for fall and winter. But I really like this. It's a knitted dress, and it has like very fine knitting, obviously, and it's really stretchy and very tight. All my pieces that I ordered, I believe, are in a size small. If not, I'll link all the information down below and put it in the description box. But I like this so much because actually you can wear a strapless bra and it feels like very tight and snug. This really hugs my body, and I love the way it falls. It falls right below my knees, stretchy, and it's kind of like a shaping dress a little bit. It just feels tight, but not like where you feel like you can't breathe. So I like it. I really like to style it with tennis shoes and then a like white collared shirt, because I actually don't really like to wear so much tight clothing out in general. But if I were to wear it in date night, I may tie up the white collared shirt or take it off and then just wear it with some heels. But I really like the casual look with this. And also in our meeting rooms, it's so cold, so this is absolutely perfect. Okay, next item. Okay, so the next item is actually, I guess, really popular. I ordered it, got it, and then I've been seeing things that there's like Amazon dupes of the Free People outfit, and apparently Free People has a really cool outfit on this. I love Free People. They're so expensive, but their items are so quality. So I have this 2-piece set. Again, oh my gosh, I'm like just having like a knit and crochet vibe. These are probably just obviously machine knitted or something, but hand knitted right here. I'm so excited. Sorry, it's a new hobby. So yeah, this is the knitted top. They come in like so many different colors. This one is the cream color, I believe, or the white, because of the white pants. These do all come like oversized, because I was reading the reviews. All of them have like 4.2 to 4.5-ish and higher ratings. So pretty good ratings. This one said that the clothes is like kind of baggy, so either size down or stay true to size. I stayed true to size. And here is the white pants. They're like a cloth kind of knit material as well. Very stretchy, very wide, very loose, and then it cinches down in the bottom. I actually was thinking it was gonna be a hit or miss with this outfit, but it's so like boho chic. I love how it looks like casual, but then if you put some heels on it, you can wear it around the house. But if you you could put some heels on it and then look like put together with this outfit, and then you can like wear it around the house and feel so comfortable. It feels so comfortable. And this one I did not wear yet. I tried it on, but I like the tags that it comes with. Very substantial tags. And I do believe, if it's not, I do believe this is cotton, because I really like cotton material. I don't know if it's not I'll put it right here. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Or polyester, or I'm not sure. But I do feel like it doesn't feel like polyester. And then a lot of times clothes come in with like, I don't know, if they come from like a different country, they smell. But these clothes did not have like a scent or anything that was like, you know, the plastic or shipping. I don't know, like clothes stink sometimes. Not in like a, you know what I'm talking about, like a clothing store packaging smell or chemicals, but this does not. So this is very thick. I just want to tell you this material is very thick, and you cannot see through it. So that's very, very nice. Okay, I just wanted to pop in. I put on this outfit, and the pants are 100% content and they're so comfortable. And I just think this is like the perfect outfit for being like stay at home, chic, and that you don't have to wear like your activewear out, and like you could just leave the house and look good. So I love that it's 100% cotton. Lastly, I cannot show you the item because I'm actually wearing the item, and it is these boho pants that are so perfect for wearing around the house or going out and you go to the store and you're in a rush, or specifically me, it's very cool and they're like linen pants and it's perfect for like chilling at the beach or walking around and feeling comfortable. I'm all about comfort. So let me show you real quick. I'm gonna back up, and I like it because they are quite different than other linen pants I have. Let me show you real quick. They are very, very different from a lot of linen pants I have because they are even more wide leg. My daughter actually said she wanted to borrow these because she liked them so much. And they're like, they have huge pockets, so you can actually put your phone in it, which I love. Like, you know, you can have around the house. It has a cinching drawstring, so obviously it doesn't fall off. But I like the length that it falls at. I'm only 5'2", and it falls to like right at my ankles, and it's like very wide-legged. I'm very, very comfortable. Just love it. Again, I feel like it's like a boho chic style, and like I said, perfect for the beach or being outside and being cool during the summer, and of course in the house as well. So actually I will show you guys these pants up close because I want to show you how big the pockets are, like my head. And yeah, I already washed them once and air dried them, and they are not too wrinkly, and I even wore them down sitting down. There's a little wrinkles, but that comes with like linen pants. So yeah, these are going to be definitely my go-to pants. And then also want to show you guys that it comes with like the Lillusory tag on the back. So yeah, it doesn't feel like cheap to me at all. Actually very impressed. Yeah, that's what I got from Lillusory store. Actually very, very happy with their pieces. The shipping for me like came within 2 days, which is really quick because Amazon. So yeah, Amazon Prime available, so shipping was great. I'm pretty sure there's like free returns with all Amazon stores. And yeah, just wanted to share the store with you guys. This was my first experience getting clothes from the store, and I think I might order a dress from them, a work dress, but just wanted to share the store with you guys, my experience and what I thought about these clothing pieces. And I like them. So yeah, stay true to size with all of them, I believe, or size down with the Free People kind of like dupe. So all right guys, I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I will see you guys later. Bye.